Hello everyone, this is Gloria of Girlia's Cards, and this week I am back again to share another card with you. Um, this week it was Maker's Choice. So whatever you decide to make, it's a free-for-all. So please do not hesitate to join in on the fun with us this week. Melissa of Mo Creations, as well as Lisa of UCY I'm a Diva, we all got together. We had a craft night, and so we decided that this week would be Maker's Choice. Okay, so with my Maker's Choice, I am making a gift card holder. So this week it will be a tutorial. So if you stay, if you continue to watch until the end, you will see the tutorial for this gift card holder. Okay, I did have a request for this for someone from someone to show how I made the gift card. Okay, so let me show you what I used to create this card. Okay, and as you can tell, I am using my Swiss Dots folder. Yes, this is a favorite of mine. I am also using Gina Marie's Lacy Square dies. Okay, and I am also using this right here, was in my stash, but this is Crafter's Companion. I am using both of these. I've had these for years, and this is like the first time I've opened them up to use them, and I can't even remember what it came with. I believe that it came with like a letter set, like, you know, like for addressing labels or whatever. So I believe that it came with that. I am also using this Happy Birthday die, and this is by Creative Expressions, as well as Cottage Cuts. And as you know, I love my Cottage Cuts, but I have a few places that I like to get dies, and so I really like Cottage Cuts because they are just so detailed. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you the gift card that I created. All right, so this is the gift card. You open it up, and I used this, but I'm going to stamp this piece here, and I'm going to place that when I decide what I want to put on there. Okay, so this is the gift card holder here. You just put the gift card in here, and it's all attached. And then I also used let me see here. Oh yeah, sorry. And I also used this die here, and I think it's the second to the largest one inside of here. Okay, for Gina Marie's dies. Okay, so I use that so that you can write any message that you want on here. And this is the gift card holder. And so let's get started on the tutorial. Okay, so let me move some stuff out of the way. Okay, you are going to need your you are going to need your I don't even know what this thing is called anymore. Okay, this one is called the crease, but you know what it is, something so that you can, you know, make your indentations. Okay, all right, so you're starting off with a piece of 5. Let me see if I can get the whole thing in here. And I have everything cut out, so it's all ready to go. So let me just try to make some arrangements here and see if I can get the whole screen in here. All right, there we go. I'll try that. Okay, so you are starting off with a piece of cardstock at 5 by 12. Okay, you're going to score it at 3.5. Okay. You're scoring at, let me see here. You're scoring at 3.5. You're scoring at 7 3/4. Okay. You're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 2.5 up until the first score line. Okay. Once you've done that, this is all the this is everything that you're done with the scoring board. Okay, so it's a scoring board, guys. Okay. Now, once you're done with the, of course you know that you fold it on the opposite side, and you just want to make sure that everything lines up. Okay, take the bone folder. All right. And then usually what I do is I fold this in here, okay? So now you know that it's gonna close like this. Okay, so I just folded it on the score line. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut this so that this is the top part of the card. So I am going to cut this on the score line. Let's see, I'm going to cut this on the score line. All right. And I'm going to cut a little piece out of here. Okay, so that it can fold. Okay. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, then I take it and fold this down. Okay. Where is my bone folder? Okay. Then I just score that. All right. And so now this is all set. This is all set to go. Okay? So once you put this in here, you pretty much know what you have to glue down. Once you fold it in, you pretty much know what you have to glue down. So you're gluing down here, you're going to glue here, and you're going to glue here. Before I glue it, I just take I have a 3 1/4 inch circle punch, and I just go in the middle here, halfway down, cut that out. All right, so let me get my glue. So I glue this. Hopefully I'm in frame. But I glue this. It's a little hard, guys. I'm looking around the camera, okay? And then I glue this. All right. I put that down. Getting glue all over my table. Okay. Let's see if I can find that. Use my alcohol here and get this up. Add a little. All right. Get that out of the way. All right, back to the card. Okay, so now you have your gift card holder, and I'm just trying to see if it is, let me see, where's my, I got a gift card. I have a gift, oh here. I have a gift card here. So here's a gift card. And you can slide it in, it folds in goes in like that, and then you can decorate it any way you want to. Okay, so I already have my decorations ready to go. Okay, so, and like I said before, I am using these Gina K lacy square dies. Okay, using these Gina K lacy square dies, and I did the Swiss dots embossing folder, and that's what I did. So I cut it out, embossed the top layer. Okay, let me glue the top layer together. See, I'm putting glue on the edges here. Alright. Alright, and then just cording, just line them up. And like I told you before, guys, I really have I really struggle with getting these layers straight, but okay. Alright, that's ready. Now I just glue this side down. Alright. Alright. Gluing this down. Just dabbed it off on my hand, guys, because I have a lot of glue on the back of this little swan here, and I don't want to get okay. Now, do I have the happy birthday cut out? I do not have the happy birthday cut out, so I won't put happy birthday on here because I don't. I'll use the card for something else. Okay. And now, and I did the same thing with this. This little piece here is 3, I believe it's 3 by 2, 2 1/4. And so I just took my circle punch and did the same thing, you know, did it in you know, I just cut, oh sorry, I just cut the little punch out here, okay, with the little 3/4 circle punch. All right, so let me glue that piece on. Okay. All right. And then, of course, I have this little piece here, and again, that's from the Crafter's Companion dies. But again, you can use whatever you have in your stash or whatever, however you want to decorate it, okay? And then And then this little piece here, I will wait to stamp it, but that is the card in essence. That is the card in essence. And where's the gift card at? Okay, I'll take that one out of here. Oh, I thought oh, there it is. Okay, so I will put the gift card in here, show you that it fits. It's ready to go. It is turned out really nice. All right, guys, any questions? Please feel free to email me, put it in the comment section. I will definitely return your comments. All right, this is Gloria of Girlia's Cards. Have a great morning. Bye.